Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your SEO content strategy with Ahrefs, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Ahrefs account. Navigate to the Site Explorer tool. Enter the URL of your website and click on Search. Analyze the overview data to understand your current SEO performance. Click on Organic Keywords in the left sidebar. Review the keywords that are currently driving traffic to your site. Identify keywords with high search volume but low difficulty. Make a list of these potential keywords for further exploration. Next, go to the Content Explorer tool in Ahrefs. Input your target keywords into the search bar. Filter the results by traffic to see popular content around those keywords. Examine the top performing articles to see what makes them successful. Pay attention to their title tags and meta descriptions for insights. Look for content gaps by noting topics that are underrepresented. Decide on new content ideas based on this analysis. Now, return to the Site Explorer tool. Use the Top Pages feature to evaluate your best performing content. Identify pages with high traffic but low conversion potential. Consider optimizing these pages for better engagement and conversions. Go back to your list of potential keywords. Match them with your existing content for where they can fit. Schedule regular updates for your content based on seasonal trends or industry shifts. Create a content calendar to organize your SEO strategy. Incorporate keyword research into your writing process. Make sure to optimize on-page elements like header tags and image alt texts. Utilize Ahrefs Rank Tracker to monitor your keyword rankings. Set alerts for changes in keyword rankings or competitor moves. Engage in backlink analysis to identify new link building opportunities. Continually update your strategy based on data from Ahrefs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.